Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica. Hi. Good morning, y'all. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday fun day. I need to get my voice together. It's early, y'all. It is like 6:30 in the morning and I'm ready. I'm dressed. So tell by the title. Yeah, I think I put something about Raleigh in the title. But anyways, as you can see by the title, we're about to go to Raleigh, y'all. If you are new here, I'm from Raleigh, North Carolina, but I stay in South Carolina currently now. But my family is still in Raleigh, North Carolina. Raleigh is about 3 hours away from us. So yeah, y'all, we're about to head up to Raleigh and see my mom and my sister. My mom she's off today and Monday, so she's off Sunday and Monday. And you know, Miguel's obviously off and Nyla's not in school, so of course they wanted to see Nyla, y'all. They always wanted to see Nyla. They love them some Nyla. Decided to go there and see them today. So we're gonna spend like the whole day with them and leave early Monday morning. Leave out early so I can get like a good full day with them. So yeah, y'all, that is what is going on. We're just going to go to Raleigh. Just wanted to open up the vlog and say good morning. Yeah, there we're going to Raleigh. But before we hit the road though, I might stop by Starbucks and get me a little drinky drink, y'all. But yeah, y'all, we're about to head out. So I will see y'all in a little bit.
Talk street art, sarcasm, crash humor in high fashion, peach color moon glister.
Hi you guys, I'm back. We have made it to Raleigh. Oh Lord, y'all see Miguel beer in the back. We tried to, it is 10:48. We tried to check into the hotel we always stay at when we're here, but because it's a Sunday and probably there was like packed yesterday, she said they don't have our room available right now, but if I come back at noon, then we can check in. Like I said, it's 10:50 now, so we're about to go to my mom's house and get her, pick her up, because the plan is I was gonna check in and go to my sister's apartment because she has a pool. If y'all see, well, before I deleted my videos, I had a Raleigh vlog, and then when we went to Raleigh, we went to my sister pool, and her apartment complex is a really nice pool. So I want to take Nyla over there, y'all. This will probably be like the last time she'll get in the pool for the summer. So yeah, I want to take her to the pool. So we're going to get my mom and we're all gonna go to my sister's house. Her car is closed. Oh, it looks closed. And go to my sister's house and swim in her pool, y'all. So yeah, y'all, that is the plan. But yeah, we made it to Raleigh. Hey y'all, with my mama. Say hey, Mom. Yeah, we're going to Food Line because after the pool, we're gonna throw some little something on the grill. Yeah. Some hot dogs and hamburgers and wings. So yeah, we're going to Food Line now. Delicious. To get this stuff, because I still have an hour to wait until we check in. So yeah, well, we got this hour. We're about to go get this stuff. So yeah, get my mommy.
Yeah.
Work. To me, I get work. See me do me dirt. Cause I'm about that work. When you walk a line. the nicest. Nobody touched me in a rush. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are durations. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. Da, 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 da.
We should get the hot dog and bun. Okay. Yeah, bright leaf hot dog. Good Lord, they're expensive, Mom. Yeah, right here. Oh, okay.
That'll fool you now. You get one
Y'all.
or two. I like to look at them because they could be, that's too light. Me and my ready to go to the
If
bag.
y'all in North Carolina, y'all know about bright leaf hot dogs, y'all. The red hot dogs. The only hot dogs I like, y'all. And when I tell people the red hot dogs, they don't know. 'Cause I guess it's just a North Carolina thing. Because in South Carolina, they don't have these. I say I only eat the red hot dogs. I don't know about these brown, like, I guess y'all eat, like, these hot dogs. No. We know about the bright leaf hot dog. Oh, they get two. We know about them. So if y'all from North Carolina, y'all know, drop it in the comments. The best hot dogs, y'all.
What you got?
Uh-huh. The Sweet Baby Ray. So yeah, y'all, if y'all know, let me know that y'all know.
Rolling, 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 rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work, 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 work.
You see me, I feel work, 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 work. You see me do my da, 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 da. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk out, la, 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 la. When the car from my
Y'all used to drink these all the time. Just pop these in the freezer. Y'all, these are so good. Alright, so we got everything out. We about to head out.
On with a classic, they come around your slave and say it's a sleeper. The ears are real, the petty is real. Watch your life for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, Belinda Felicia. She gave me twice, I did it for her money, she know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter, was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should go live with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. As soon as I swipe and touch my shores, he wouldn't believe it. I got savings on my mind, and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind, no friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with 2 girls on my tongue, and they 10. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got
Okay, y'all, we are finally in the room. And I just showed y'all the room. This is the same hotel. If y'all watched my previous vlogs before I deleted them, this is the same hotel we stay at when we come to Raleigh, because my sister, her apartment is right across the street. So yeah, y'all, we're in the room. We're about to change into our bathing suits and go to my sister's apartments and get in the pool, y'all. I'm excited. They have a pool here, if y'all can see. It's a little, let me see if I can see. It's a little rinky-dink pool they got down there. But my sister got a better pool, so we're gonna go there.
Alright. Oh, well, it's not working.
At my sister's house now. Say hi, Chris. Oh, man. Hey.
I would like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. No more
hot mess. Anyway, y'all. Oh, I'm blending in with the sheets. Wow. I'm blending in with the sheet. Anyway, y'all. We are back in the room. And we done changed our clothes. So yeah, we're about to go over to my mama's house now and cook on the grill because we are all hungry, y'all. So yeah, that is what we're doing next. I will see y'all at my mama's house. Okay, y'all, I'm at mama's house now. I'm about to start cooking and grilling. Say hi, Ma. Hi. So yeah, y'all, about to start cooking.
When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see. You are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. If you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me know. Love affair began. But if you feel more like I feel, confusion can't give way to doubt. It's going down, fades of Black Street. The homies got at me, collab creations, bump like gasoline, no doubt. I put it. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on me? I got the blood.
Okay, you guys, we are back from our mom's house. We are in the room. Thank God, y'all. It's been a long day. Hi, Mama. It has been a long day, y'all, but I had so much fun. It was nice seeing my mom, and they saw Nyla. It was nice getting in the pool, y'all, because honestly, that was probably like the last pool experience for the summer. And yeah, cooking out, that's probably the last time we'll cook out for this summer. So yeah, y'all, that was nice. I was thinking, I had a good summer. I really did. I got to take Nyla to her first swim class this summer. I started my YouTube this summer. So I was thinking, like, yeah, I had a really good summer. Yeah. But yeah, y'all, that food was bomb. I miss grill food, but until next summer. But yeah, now, y'all, since I got my pool experience out the way, the grill, I'm ready for the fall feels, y'all. Bring on the fall feels, y'all. They already got like the pumpkin spice drinks out yet. I've been waiting to try it, but yeah, I can say bye-bye summer, hello fall. But yeah, y'all, yeah, that's all. in the room for the rest of the night. We're gonna head out early in the morning to go back home. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of this vlog. Thank you for coming along with us to Raleigh again. Yeah, thank you for coming along with us to Raleigh. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jessica. Could you please consider subscribing? And yeah, leave me a comment below, y'all, and I will talk to y'all in the next video. Bye.